Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My Ipsy came for the month of May, so if you guys want to see what I got inside, then keep watching. So last month I was a little confused because Ipsy and Boxycharm merged, so technically I'm getting Boxycharm, but I'm still calling it Ipsy because it says Ipsy, and when I get charged it says Ipsy, so we're calling it Ipsy. This month's box has some weight to it, and I don't remember what I got, so this is going to be interesting. First up is this Prep and Prime from Style Dry. So this is a pineapple and coconut Prep and Prime polishing primer, and you can put this in your hair. I don't know, but you can use it on wet or dry hair. It kind of sounds like, I cannot remember what it's called, but it's on TikTok, and it's in I see it all the time, and it's in like a pink tube, and it's at Sephora. I want to say the brand is like Day. I could be totally wrong, but this sounds similar to that, so I'm really excited to try it out. Next up is this Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Setting Mist. So I've always wanted to try Cab. I think I have a lip gloss from them that I like, but I thought I'd try this. I love hydrating setting mists. I just love anything that's hydrating. And I also just really need a setting spray, so I thought I'd just pick this as one of my picks for this month. Next is the Whispering Rosé Luminous Blush Palette from Violet Voss. This is pretty. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. I really love the packaging. I'm just not a blush palette type of girl. Fourth product is this Frank Bod Coconut Coffee Scrub. I love Frank Bod, so when I saw this, I was so excited. This is why there was some weight to this box. I've never tried the coconut coffee scrub, but I love the original pink bag coffee scrub. It is the best. If you have eczema, your skin will love this. And last we have the iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. These are like foiled eyeshadows. Kind of reminds me of the Makeup by Mario palette, but they're so pretty. Blue Lagoon. Oh my god. I cannot wait to use this. I really liked this month's box. The only thing I'm not really thrilled about is the blush palette, but that's totally fine. I think it was a great box this month. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below. Leave me video suggestions. I'm kind of like drawing a blank, so please let me know what you want to see on my channel. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!